My daughter said she wants a ponytail hairstyle. Hello mommy, join me as we make this cute easy ponytail hairstyle for my daughter. So first of all, you will start from the middle of her hair. You pat it to the side of her ear. We are going to be doing this on our both side of the hair. As you can see, I'm doing. We put a little bit of bead because we are not going to be using a lot of beads on this hairstyle. We do the same thing to the other side. You pat it, make sure it's very neat. Even if it's not still neat, you are still good to go. Okay, just braid it. After when you are done braiding it, you add your bead to it. For those of you that is finding it difficult to add beads to your natural hair, watch this video to the end. Okay, then we are going to be parting from our ear, side of our ear to the other side of the ear, from one ear to the other. Okay, the reason is that we are going to be using rubber bands to band it. We are going to be attaching it to the ponytail that we are going to be doing. Then after tying it with your rubber band, you braid it all through to the tip. We are going to be doing this to all of the hair. Then the other one that you are parting, you braid it to the tip and you add your bead to it as I did in this video. So I don't just want to do everything to the back to attach it to the ponytail, just to do something different. Okay, then you add beads. You are still going to do the same thing to the other side, which is each side of the hair. I made three braids out of it, which is three boss braid from it, making it 6. All right, just watch it carefully as I try to explain. All right, initially I've made this hair for my daughter before, I think during her 6-7 years birthday, and she said, mommy, if I want to go back to school, I want you to do the same hairstyle for me. And I said okay, but along the line we did something else for her. I did something else for her to take to school for resumption, and now she's demanding for the ponytail. I thought she has forgotten, but no, she didn't forget. You know, kids, when they say something, they will not forget it and they will keep on reminding you. All right, see, this is what I'm trying to explain. You just take the already braided hair that you braid, attach it to the ponytail, add your edge control, your edge wires, the one that is best good for you, the one that is good for your daughter. Me, I use a lot of hair wires. I use this red one hair wires. I use a different color, they are so good. And I also use shine and jam. Then you just braid the tip of the hair, attach it with rubber bands or any elastic bands that you have. You are good to go. This hairstyle is so simple, easy. The shine and jam that I'm talking about, and this ponytail, I got it from Shein. Okay, so you can also go there and get your own. Just easy to go hairstyle. Attach it, use the excess elastic band that they add to it to tie it around the hair. You are good to go. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. Thanks for joining, thanks for watching, and please do me well to share this video, share it out to your friends and family, to those who you know that can do this cute hairstyle and their kids will look cute and beautiful. Then we are adding our hair growth oil to our scalp so that it will moisturize our hair, and you are good to go. All right guys, I think I'll leave you guys for now. See how beautiful it is and very simple and cute. I think she is very, very happy because I made her hairstyle, the one she demanded, and she was very, very in love with this hairstyle. See you in my next video. Bye.